Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Before I begin with this video, I am super happy to inform you that I'll be announcing the winners of the giveaway contest. So stay tuned for the results that I'll announce at the end of this tutorial. Now let's come back to today's video. Today's card being very simple, I won't do much of the talking. I'll leave you with some music while you watch me make the card. But do stick around till the end of this video for the results. So finally the wait is over. Before we get to the results, I really want to thank every one of you for the overwhelming response that I received for this contest. I didn't expect such a response, so thank you so much. And since you guys were so generous in showering your love and support, I'll also be generous in the giveaway prizes and express my gratitude towards you. So instead of 4 winners, I have picked up 6 winners. These people really deserve to win as they went out of their way sharing my posts and videos, tagging me on their stories numerous times. So thank you guys, thank you so much. The contest question was, which dye did I use for making the foam flowers? And the correct answer is Small Wild Rose from Heartfelt Creations. Tan-ta-dan! So here are the winners. Firdausi Shaheen, Ekta Daga, UV Chaudhary, Kanchan Shah, Asha Kunchinadka and Survi Jain. I have also mentioned their IG handles to avoid confusion. So congratulations to all of you. I request all the winners to kindly DM me on Instagram or send me a mail to claim your prizes. And to all those who did not win, please don't be disheartened as there's always a next time. So that's all from me today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care and bye for now.